Welcome back. We're going to make some donuts and bagels in Word using the Microsoft Office shapes. Go into shapes here and we select a circle, this one in particular. I'm going to start off with a bagel. This one will be sesame seed. I'm going to make it very thin on the outside border. I'm going to choose bevel. Okay. And maybe make it a little bit bigger. Let's see, like that. Like that. Scrunch it down a little bit. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna, let's see. We're gonna go picture format, corrections. I'm gonna give it some brightness. So now it looks like a sesame seed bagel. And then we can move it over to the side. Let's give it some shadow. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we can make it a little more softer. That works for us or not. No, it doesn't work for us. That's okay. Let's just go make it fixed position. Now, to see if it's worth giving any rotation to it. Uh, Could leave it like that. Make it a little bit more narrow. And I think that's good enough for the bagel. You can play with it. You can make the hole smaller. Okay, perfect. Now let's make some donuts. Okay. It's going to have a perfect round hole. Let's make the texture like that. A little bit of icing. Let's see, maybe a little bit of blue. Like that. A little bit more. Let's see how that turned out. Not too bad. Oops, sorry about that. Just looking to see if there's any other shapes that might be a little bit more thicker. I think we'll go with this one. See if there's any rotation we want to give it. Kind of flat. Let's see. Maybe a little bit of rotation this way. Okay. Let's see if this works now. No, not really. Okay, we'll leave it like that. I'm going to copy it. And we're going to use it as a template for other donuts. I'm going to have different sizes. So let's go back in here. Let's choose brown. And that looks really nice. That looks cool. I like that. Like a maple glazed donut. Let's thicken it up a little bit. Yeah. And I think I want to see if there's anything else. No, nothing else. But let's put it straight up, straight away, like that, and give it some shadow. See if there's any shadow we want to give it. Let's look. Okay. Let's give it some shadow that way. Looks good. And I think I want a small one. Like that. What else? What else? Let's see. Let's paste it. And I think I want this thing to go back to facing flat. And I'm gonna give it some different colors here. You can tell there's so many different kinds of colors you can pick, and you just can, like, this is a nice one. Let's go do it again. I'm just gonna use this as a template, copy this. It's already nice and flat. Let's go more colors. Let's choose this one. Okay. Just to add a little bit of color. Okay. And then I think I'm not sure if I can. I'm gonna try putting a lighter color, because they tend to come out looking like icing. Like this one in particular looks really, really good. Let's put them over here. Yeah. And let's see. Is there any other colors we want to create? Let's go with. Let's just go and choose a different texture here. See what comes out. If you want your donut to look like carpet, you can do that too. I like this one, and I like this one. This one is one of the nicer ones. You know, I would probably make it smaller, so you can't really see the pattern that well, and it comes out really nice for a donut. So look at all the different types of donuts you've created. It's quite a few. You can add shadow. Let's just see here. You can make them glow. Let's just put a shadow on there. Let's move them over here. Let's go and add some glow to it, maybe. I think in that one, I'm not going to add glow to that one. I'll add glow to this one. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's not bad. Before it was like this. plain. If you want a cleaner look, this is with a little bit of glow to it. So that's about it. I will probably do a video with making cookies as well. But for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.